So first of all, this is not a vlog. This is a documentary about Dr. Divya Tanwar's book launch event on 14th of October. Hello guys, day 2 for book launch.
Day 3.
It's day 3 actually. So what happened on day 2? We performed a dry run in our college as we had to make sure everything goes fine on the D-Day. Three of book launch are all set. We have all been preparing for this day so long and सब कुछ preparations हो गए हैं.
So we're having 3 events over there. First is Cyber Shield. Second is about the mental health and for the peace. And third one is about the workplace harassment. So we'll be having our esteemed guest over there, and we'll get opportunity to hear from all of them, and we'll be getting the opportunity to ask questions from them.
The stage was all set and our convoying team was very excited to host our guests. So guys, finally we are here at IIC Center and our guests are coming. So we are waiting for them to welcome them and guests arrived. Here we welcome Mr. Rakesh Sethi, who is Deputy Inspector General of Police by Chandan Tika and Time Kalava. He also served in RAF, that is Rapid Action Force. He was active in Kashmir when stone pelting used to happen, also in Northeast and other parts of India. The event started by lighting the lamp.
This, I invite all our guests and Divya ma'am to come forward and light the lamp.
Then all the guests were felicitated by giving the bouquets as a token of thanks. Subsequently, the distinguished guests commenced imparting their profound insights and sagacious reflections, enriching the audience with their eloquent discourse and illuminating wisdom.
You saw that you are all the postgraduate students, and in your life, your career progression is very much important, and whatever the career you are going to choose, that will certainly change your life.
So it is truly a privilege to be here, first of all, and special thanks to Professor Tanwar because she is the one who has been very instrumental, during my tough times in Bharati Vidyapeeth and Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies. And every time I see, on 14th of October, which is her birthday, and she celebrates her birthday in a very unique way, which is every time coming up with a new book launch. So heartiest congratulations to her.
में इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट क्योंकि वो तुम्हारी ज़िंदगी में एक स्कार चले जाएगा, क्योंकि हमारी ज़िंदगी तो ऐसी होनी चाहिए ना कि जहाँ पे हमें अच्छी मेमोरीज कलेक्ट करनी है, कुछ गलत मेमोरीज तो करनी नहीं है. तो इसीलिए साइबर शील्ड इज ऑल अबाउट दैट. इसको पढ़ना, इसको समझना और इसको हमेशा याद रखना कि जब मैं इंटरनेट यूज़ कर रही हूँ, जब मैं डिजिटल वर्ड यूज़ कर रही हूँ, व्हाट नॉट टू डू. बेसिकली फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट नॉट टू डू इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू. So thanks a lot everyone and making this day beautiful.
Manpreet ma'am, I actually had a question on what you said and something regarding upon your experience.
And then we had a Q&A round with our guests.
It's been a privilege to be here with you and to ask questions and gain knowledge from it. So my question to you is, there are many critical threats which are looming for the government and the law enforcement. So can you shed some light over it, like which are critical threats which are being pursued by the law enforcement?
And the insurgency. There is a lack of development in that particular area. Basic amenities are still lacking. There is no road, there is no electricity. People are not having even good schools to send their children for study.
We also had some शायरी punches from Dr. Ashok Mehta.
ये देर हो गई तो मुनीर नियाजी जी की एक छोटी सी नज़म से मैं शुरू करना चाहूँगा। हमेशा देर कर देता हूँ मैं, जरूरी बात कहनी हो, कोई वादा निभाना हो, उसे आवाज देनी हो, उसे वापस बुलाना हो, हमेशा देर कर।
And at last, the much anticipated moment arrived. The unveiling of the highly awaited book on Cyber Shield, for which we had eagerly waited with a bated breath. And with this, the first book launch was completed, and we had to make arrangements for the next event. The new guests for the next event started coming, and the convoying team was very busy welcoming them. It was 1 pm and all the guests went to have lunch, but we had to prepare the stage, camera and action for the next event, which included making welcome gifts ready, replacing the nameplates and much more.
Keep on interacting with the young minds. Having you here is a pleasure for me. My esteemed senior, Ramjit Malani, once told a very important thing.
Health. Why social media has acquired such a eminent element in your life today? This we have to look after in an in-depth manner. It's a new phenomena. How it is giving impact on day-to-day life. इसको हम जरा गहन तरीके से देखते हैं.
And with this, the book Social Media and Mental Health by Dr. Divya Tanwar was successfully launched.
To begin, I would like to invite Mr. Mukesh Ji Gupta, our chief guest of the event.
खेल खेलने से ना हम हारना सीखते हैं और हार के वापस लड़ना सीखते हैं। हम सब लोग पढ़ बहुत अच्छा रहे हैं, लिख भी रहे हैं, खेल नहीं खेल रहे हैं। हम लोग कितने लोग सॉकर खेलते हैं, फुटबॉल खेलते हैं, गेम्स खेलते हैं, नहीं खेलते शायद.
And finally, the last book of the session on workplace harassment was also successfully launched. After this, we the students of SOBD SOIL received certificates of gratitude for success of the event by all the delegates present over there.